Are you looking for a home that you can make updates to and build equity in over time, all while living in an awesome location? Well, this home could be exactly what you're looking for. Let's go take a look. Hey, I'm Ryan Temmel with Milestone Realty, and I help people buy, sell, and relocate across the Twin Cities metro area. Each week, I have people reaching out to see if they could get more information on a home, a specific neighborhood, what's going on in the market, and sometimes even just getting a home search set up across Minnesota. If you need help reaching your next real estate milestone, you can text, call, or email me. My info is in the description below. And if you are looking to set up a private showing on the house I'm about to show you or any other house across Minnesota, you can scan this QR code, fill out the form, and I'll get in touch to schedule a private showing. So if you could see if that home feels and looks like the one for you. Additionally, if you like videos like this of seeing all my listings that are hitting the market, new build and new construction homes in the Twin Cities area, market updates, and other educational videos to help you learn about real estate, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us a ton, and we do everything that we can to provide useful and helpful content and videos to make the real estate process simpler. So hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notified anytime I do a new video. We appreciate it. Today we are in Bloomington, Minnesota, just down the road from Normandale Community College. If you were to buy this house, the schools that your kids would be attending are Olson Elementary School, Olson Middle School, and Jefferson High School. I'll put links to info on those schools in the description, so if you care to learn more, you can head there. To give you an idea of proximity around town, we are 20 minutes away from downtown Minneapolis, 30 minutes away from downtown St. Paul, and 15 minutes away from the airport. So if you're working downtown or you got to travel a lot for work, so getting to the airport's important, this is a great location for that. Getting to St. Paul's a little further, so unless you specifically want to be in Bloomington, this may not be the best location if you have to get to St. Paul quite often. Just down the other side of the road, 15 minutes, are Valley Fair and Canterbury Park. Great for entertainment and fun things to do with the kids in the summer. So this is a great location in a quiet neighborhood, and I think you will truly love it. You'll have to come see for yourself. So that's a little bit about where we're at today. This home is a 4-bed, 2-bath, just over 2,200 square feet. There is a 2-car garage, and one of my favorite parts of this house is where we're standing. This enclosed porch with all the natural sunlight. There's even 2 skylights, a fan out here, heaters, so you could potentially use this all year round. It's a great space to hang out. There's also an amazing patio and deck in the backyard to get the most out of summers here. So I think you're ready. Let's go check out this house and see if it's the one for you. So what was your favorite part of the tour? I love to hear it in the comments. If you want to get a private showing book, scan this QR code, fill out the form, and I'll get that scheduled for you. Hit that subscribe button if you like seeing videos like this. And always remember, I'm Ryan Temmel, and I'm here to help you reach your next real estate milestone. We'll see you on the next one.